Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with cryptocurrency and how to buy your first cryptocurrencies in just 5 minutes. You'll see, it's very easy. So let's get started right away. Don't hesitate to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be making a lot of tutorials about cryptocurrency. So if you want to and you're interested, subscribe. It's very important. So let's get started right away. To buy your first cryptocurrencies, whether it's Bitcoin or others, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to show you how to do it. So, first step, go to my YouTube channel right here. Click on my logo and you'll go to my YouTube channel. There will be a link right here that you can click. Once you click on the link, you'll be able to click right here, so coin as you can see, to start creating your account with a nice little bonus. So you'll get quite a good bonus. So that's pretty cool. So we're going to go to KuCoin to do it directly. Let's say to make purchases, because it's currently the best platform to buy these cryptocurrencies. It's the most secure and the easiest to access, because there are platforms that are much harder to access. You need more documents, etc. You have to provide more paperwork and so on. So I recommend the best one, KuCoin. In terms of security and diversity, it's the best. So by clicking on this link right here, as you can see, it will give you a 300 bonus and grant you access to $11,000 in bonuses. So it's very, very important to do this. So make sure you go through this link. It will give you a lot of bonuses. So you click on create an account once you've entered your email or your phone number. It's pretty easy. You just choose whichever one you want. You click on create an account and it will send you, let me show you for example. It will send you a code and you'll need to confirm that code just to prove you're not a robot. Then the validation SMS will arrive and you enter it here and you'll be able to create your account right away. It's very quick. Once you're logged in with your new account, the first thing to do is verify your identity. It's very easy on KuCoin, which is also why I recommend this platform, because you just have to go here and do identity verification. So that's the best part. It's very easy. It takes 5 minutes and it will give you access to everything on the platform. It also allows the platform to know that you are of legal age, because you have to be of legal age to buy these cryptocurrencies. It's logical. So once you've done this and it's validated, you can go set up your security settings in the parameters and you can add extra security. For example, you can add a password or whatever you want. You can add a bit of extra security, which is very important as well. And to go buy these cryptocurrencies, it's very simple. You go here to buy crypto and you can buy directly right here. So you just have to click here, for example, and you can buy with your card. That's the easiest. Using a bank card is the fastest. Let's say you want to pay in dollars, you select dollars, and if you want to pay in another currency depending on your country, you can choose it right here. For example, if you want to put in $1,000, you'll receive the equivalent in cryptocurrency of your choice. For example, if it's Bitcoin, you type Bitcoin or BTC, that's the abbreviation for the crypto. To find out the abbreviations for cryptocurrencies, you go to CoinMarketCap, where you have the real-time prices, and you see Bitcoin equals BTC, ETH is Ethereum, so you choose the one you want, it's up to you. Then you choose the payment method. The best is by bank card, it's the easiest and fastest. You can also make a transfer to KuCoin and then buy your cryptos with the money you've deposited. But for the first step, for the first time, I recommend doing it with a card, it's the easiest. So once that's done, you click buy BTC. And you enter your information, etc., just like you would for any online purchase, and it's very easy. Once that's done, you'll have direct access to your Bitcoins and assets right here. You can click into your wallet. So for me, this is just a sample account, so there's only $7. There's not much in it. But as you can see, you'll have your cryptocurrencies in your wallet and you can do whatever you want with them. If you want to sell them, you can do it whenever you want. If you want to send them to another platform, or for example to a ledger or Trezor to keep them a bit more secure, you can do that too. But don't worry, you can also leave them on KuCoin. It's very secure, there won't be any problems. And there you go, your cryptos will be safe on KuCoin. And at least you'll be able to sell them whenever you want, simply on a Bitcoin trading pair or by directly selling those cryptos. So that's it. It's really easy anyway. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll definitely make more tutorials on leverage, trading, and other topics like this, so subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!